In today's video, I bring you a swing trading strategy that you cannot miss. The strategy I am talking about uses the Parabolic Sar, an EMA, and the buy and sell pressure volume, BSPV. This strategy can be used on any type of financial asset, in the time frame of 1 hour and above. In my case, I'm going to be using it on the British pound dollar, on the 1-hour chart. The first thing we will have to do is select the buy and sell pressure volume indicator. We will put this indicator at 30 periods. We will deactivate these two lines, and we will put the histogram in white. Next, we will select an exponential moving average. This moving average, we will make it 48 periods and we will change the color to white and the thickness to 3. Finally, we will select the Parabolic Sar indicator. We will leave the default parameters for this indicator, and we will put the points in red. The rules for making a buy trade are very simple. We will place a buy trade if the price is above the 48-period EMA, and the Parabolic Sar shows red dots below the price, and the pressure volume is above 0. We will place our stop loss below the EMA of 48 periods and our take profit in the most relevant areas of support and resistance, as long as we have a minimum profit. We will place a sell trade if the price is below the 48-period EMA and the Parabolic Sar shows red dots above the price, and the pressure volume is below 0. We will place our stop loss above the EMA of 48 periods and our take profit in the most relevant areas of support and resistance, as long as we have a minimum profit. Something important to mention is that if we have a signal just after the pressure volume passes the 0 line, this signal will be stronger. Let's look at some more examples. And ready, I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.